I'm about to show you how you can improve your affiliate marketing strategy. Watch the following video and see why you don't need any advanced skills to make your product convert like crazy.
It is easy as it looks, but building affiliate sites is the most troublesome work to do. Visitors demand
Hi, good day. Today we are going to make a review about this WordPress plugin. This is for all the website owners, bloggers, and affiliated marketers. It's a new plugin that is going to help you to make 100% of autopilot money making videos. 60 seconds. And have all of these properties. One click site builder. These are the creators. This is the demo that they have. We're going to see how this plugin works. The installation is the same that you made to install all of the plugin in WordPress. I'm going to share with you my website, one of my websites. For example, I made this review and I made one article and I posted in my website. We're going to check now all the videos that I have in my website. To show you how this plugin and how this other plugin, WordPress video machine, going to help you to make some money with affiliation offers. For example, all of these are videos that I made with the posts that I have in my website. You can make money in your website and you can upload to YouTube. You can generate some incomes in YouTube when the people click in your affiliated link and buy this plugin and buy all the affiliation offer that you put in your description of the videos, your website, Pinterest, everywhere. You can use this integration and make money with affiliation offers. For example, in YouTube, you want to earn money with the advertising that YouTube want to put, and you want to make money when the person may click in your links and buy these plugins through your affiliated link. It's all of that are offered from ClickBank, JPSU, Water Pros. You can see there are weight loss products as 2-week diet, 2-week diet review, high blood pressure exercise programs, eat stop eat review, Organifi green juice review. All of that are affiliation offers that you want to earn commission for this. And all of that plugins want to help you to make money with that offers. But for that you have to create your website using Bluehost and WordPress, like this website I have. I want to show my website, how it looks like in online. This is the home page. I want to check the different posts that I have in the website. For example, this is my last post.
Activating contents in your site. Thus, posting of pressing content will not draw people to visit your site. Yes, you need to create a right content, be it text, images, or videos. People are looking for an impact. Your content has to be engaging for them to take action, like high-quality videos that popular sites are posting. So, does it mean we need to hire professionals to create one for us? Today, what I'm about to show you will give you the answer. Introducing WP1 Click Video Site Builder. This is the perfect software that helps you create your video affiliate site in less than 60 seconds. You don't need to create captivating videos for yourself, neither hiring professionals to do it for you. This software will help you post other people's popular content on your site legally and ethically. Amazing, right? Want to know more? Let's go check this review. Features. Automatically curates the best videos content from YouTube. Works with any WordPress theme you have. Create mobile-friendly site. Post unlimited videos in unlimited categories. Automatically make money with affiliate offers and banners. Download WP1 Click Video Site Builder. How does it work? This is newbie-friendly. You don't need technical skills to use this. Just follow the easy steps on this video. Good points. User-friendly. Prevent you from doing manual work. Amazing bonuses are included. Responsive technical support. Bad points. Need stable internet connection. Need to contact support if you have questions. Conclusion. There you have it. This is so much easier now with this powerful software. Create your dream affiliate sites in less than 60 seconds. Get your copy of WP1 Click Video Site Builder here.